this is Gary Boss here. I'm at the Audio-Technica booth, and we're here at Winter Namm 2019. And we're really excited to be introducing a couple new microphones into my ATM350 microphone solutions. A little bit of a background on the ATM350s. Essentially what we did is we took a very high quality condenser microphone and we then created mounts for very specific applications. So again, once you start out with this really high quality, great sounding microphone, it's going to sound great on all these instruments. So what we had before, we had our clip-on with a short gooseneck. This is going to be great for like trumpet and certain things like that. We had a clip-on with a long gooseneck. A lot of people like this for trombones, where you want a little bit more space between the bell and the instrument. Some people use this on upright bass. We move over here, we have a magnetic mount for piano or, well, anything metal that you want to stick it on. This guy is our first woodwind mount, so like oboe and things of that nature. Over here we have this really unique drum mount. It goes right onto the tuning lug. You can still tune the instrument, and these are all modular, so these goosenecks are removable. The thing that we're introducing here, which is really cool, is we have two new mounts. We have what we call a surface mount. That's this guy here. And we can see it over here on the accordion. So it actually is made to fit right on an accordion without any modification for those people looking to mic your accordion. And more interestingly, I have a new acoustic mount. I'm going to grab the guitar. And essentially, this goes right on the edge of the guitar to minimize any resonance damping of the instrument, but it gives you that space between the instrument and the microphone, so you can pick up a lot of the warmth of the body, but you still get the articulation of the strings, and then you can place it however you like. And a lot of people will blend this with the internal pickup, but this is going to give you consistent placement if you move around stage rather than having a stand-mounted microphone. So those are the new products we have in the ATM350 line of miniature cardioid condenser microphones.